Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. In this video, we will learn how to perform NVT dynamics in LAMMPS. The NVT ensemble maintains a constant number of atoms, volume and temperature. This is typically the first equilibration step in a molecular dynamics simulation where the system reaches thermal equilibrium before we proceed to pressure equilibration using the NVT ensemble. So I am here going to show you the commands that we typically use for the NVT equilibration process. So the very first command is started with log.nvt. So this command creates a log file named log.nvt where LAMMPS stores thermodynamic information and all the simulation details. Further, the next tag is reset time step 0. So this command resets the time step counter to 0. Starting from 0 makes it easier to analyze the equilibration process and compare different simulations. Now it's time to apply our NVT ensemble. So here we have taken this fix to all NVT temperature at two different values we have provided, then 100. So what this particular command is doing, so that I will also show you. Before that, let me also search the same in our LAMMPS documentation. So let's go to this fix NVT command. So as you can see, this is the syntax for that which we have also taken. So fix ID, group ID, style name, keyword and values. So here the fix 2 is the ID of the fix, and then all is applied to all the atoms. So this NVT ensemble will be applied to all the atoms present in the simulation box. Then NVT here, this NVT here means constant number of atoms, volume and temperature. Then this temperature Tk is, it will maintain the system at a target temperature. So here you can simply provide the value of the temperature, or if you have provided the value of temperature as a kind of variable that you have already fixed, you can simply use the Tk and Tk value here. Then this 100 here is the thermostat damping parameter that controls how quickly the system reaches the desired temperature. So unlike NPT, the simulation box remains fixed during the NVT ensemble, and only the atomic velocities are adjusted to maintain the target temperature. So here we are not going to change our volume, because our volume, number of atoms and temperature has to be fixed in the NVT ensemble. So here what will change is the velocity of the atoms. Now next is restart 200, restart 1.lmp, restart 2.lmp. So this LAMMPS saves the restart files in every 200 time steps. This file allows the simulation to resume it if it stops unexpectedly, eliminating the need to start from the beginning. So this is actually a very important step when we are running for so long, or we are going ahead with a very long trajectory, or to get a long simulation file. Then it's better to save our restart file, so that if something happens in between, then we can restart from that particular point, and then our simulation will go ahead. Next we have to run the simulation. So here to run the simulation, we have provided run is equal to, like here the run value that we have provided is 100,000 value. This command will perform the molecular dynamics for 100,000 time steps. During this period, the system temperature gradually stabilizes around the target value. So whatever the value we are going to fix here in the temperature, so during the run it will try to achieve that target value. Now once our simulation will run and we will get our equilibration with the NVT ensemble, then we can unfix this fixed one. So here we have simply written this unfix 2 means after equilibration is complete, the thermostat is removed using the unfix command. So preparing the system for the next, so it will prepare the system to the next stage, which is typically the NVT equilibrium. So once we will perform this NVT equilibration, then we can go ahead with our NPT dynamics, or we can also do another equilibration using NPT. So now the system has reached the thermal equilibration under constant volume. Then the next step is NPT equilibration, where the simulation box is allowed to expand or contract so that the system can achieve the desired pressure or equilibrium density. So now in this video we have covered the NVT equilibration part. In the next video we will also try to understand what is the NPT dynamics in LAMMPS and how can we set the input files for that. So yeah, so this much for today's session, and we will meet with our NPT dynamics part once again. Thank you all and bye.